Alrighty, got me one of these welcome boosters. Yep, don't know nothing about them. But see what we get. Let's get into it. Alrighty. So we got a Plains land card. I guess got a couple plain how to play cards or whatever. Chandra's Magmut. There's another foil. Demon of Loathing. Commander's Fear. Okay. Meet Teferi. Is it any open one of these? I don't even know what to expect. Garruk, Primal Hunter, Niv, Mizzet, Perun. It's like a dragon. Yeah, dragon. Underworld Dreams. Got Archetype of Imagination. Another foil. Garruk's Gorehorn. I think there's two more. Alrighty. This is a Fairy Guide Mother. Whatever this is. Yeah. Yep. Got a couple foils. Like I said, I've never opened one of these. Welcome booster. Damn, I need a new chair. Yep. It's a 2020 pack, so this is what I got. Couple foils. There's a showcase, I'm not sure. Yeah, that's it.